thank you for buying this tabletop podium from fixturedisplays.com. You can find this product by searching 19597 on fixturedisplays.com. In this short video, we're going to show you step-by-step instructions how to put it together. There are grand total 3 parts: the support, top, and bookstop, along with screws. So it's fairly intuitive, but we're going to show you the tricks to do it quickly. It really wouldn't take more than a few minutes. You first want to open this support, 3-piece support assembly up, and then pick up the top panel. There are 3 wood braces already pre-installed in there. The front brace is supposed to go in front of the front panel, and then the 2 side braces go behind the 2 side panels. And then you will fasten that with screws. Lastly, you want to make sure you latch it up for added security. And the way you work with this latch, simply flip it up, let the hook onto the female side, and then push it down. The last step is to install the bookstop with the 3 screws. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, CS, that's Charlie Sam, at fixturedisplays.com. If you like our video, please consider subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a like. If you like our product, please consider leave a good review along with a good seller feedback. The dimensions are 27 inches wide, 15.5 inches deep, and the height is 19 inches in the front, and it drops about 3.5 inches in the back. It weighs about 20 pounds. We now put it on a spinner to give you a 360-degree view. This tabletop podium turns a regular table to a proper, comfortable presentation podium instantly. Once again, thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.